How do you feel? Way out at sea, far from TV and city lights.
And
How do you feel? Stream and reel and the skipper yells, you better whine for your life. How do you feel? When he clears the blue, looking right at you, half a ton in flight. How do you feel? Your arms are aching and your back is breaking, it's been a long fight. How do you feel when you set him free and he's off like a flash of light? How do you feel? How do you feel?
I feel like a Tooheys. I feel like a Tooheys. I feel like a Tooheys or two. I feel like a Tooheys. I feel like a Tooheys. I feel like a Tooheys round crew.
Oh, fuck! This is my first blackfish for 20 years. There we got one. He's a good little one. Beautiful tail for the parrot.